Okay, we moved on to the semifinals in Battle at PDO 2011. So this is flat ground only, but that doesn't mean anything on the flat ground counts. That means no complies, no feet on the ground, no hand plants, no bonuses, no old school shit, no grabs, no doing tricks or slide on the ground if your opponent has popped his trick all the way. Last letter gets 2 tries. Offensive toe drag gets 1 do-over. Defensive toe drag has a bigger margin for error, but will ultimately be decided by the referee. Today I'm gonna ref because we moved on to the semifinals and the calls here in this game are vital. So I'm gonna do it because we don't trust anyone else. Let's keep it clean, let's keep it lean. This is Battle of PDO and there's only gonna be one winner, so may God have mercy on your souls. Rochambeau! Okay, his paper takes his rock, so Irfan's going to start. Okay, so. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Redo. Okay, S. Yeah. We have to finish. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's good. You're. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Get it if you land it. Okay. Redo. Okay. Fake it. Get done. Oh. Oh, land. Okay. No. Oh, switch. Anyway. Okay, very exciting game, but the winner is Irfan. Okay, well done, guys. And